Alright guys, I'm clearly in my room and hello. Anyways, I'm in my room chilling, kicking it, staying out of trouble. And I just wanted to ask you a question. Ask you guys a question. I did test with two of these. It's Tim Moore vacuum cleaner, and that's my glasses in the way. Hello. Anyway, my Kim Moore intuition canister vacuum cleaner with this bag. And my Hoover wind tunnel anniversary bagged edition separate pill upright vacuum cleaner. And I wish you guys could tell me if which one's better. I did a pepper test. I don't know. Paper's on the floor clearly. So, yeah. Just want to give you guys a heads up, but whether it's better or not. So, yes.